Hello, it's Jam Games here once again. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to make the zombies actually spawn the power-ups. So yeah, let's get started. First, we want to go to our enemy folder and to the pp enemy main. Okay, and now we want to go to the take damage function from here, and we want to go to here at the end. After check if round n and before the death fade, let's leave some space there. Now we want to actually create a new function. And let's call this calculate power up spawn or something like that. Now let's go back to the take damage function and let's add it there between these two. Okay, compile and save. Now we want to go to this calculate power up spawn. And what we want to do here is let's actually go back to the first person map and let's go to the BB zombie blackboard. Here we have this zombie walking state. I want to copy this name, zombie walking state. Okay, now that we are here, we want to get AI controller, and here we want to actually get self, and from here we want to get blackboard like that. Let's align this. Now we want to get where you as enum, and here we want to make literal name. Okay, and now that we have done that, we can control V paste that zombie walking state name to there. And if you're thinking why did we do this, we did because we want to check if the zombie is already on the map when we spawn the power up. So let's check the equal, and if it's equal to 3, so it's on map, then we can continue, because we don't want it to spawn power ups when it's outside of the map, because it's annoying that you see like max ammo outside of the map or something like that. So if you want them to spawn those power-ups outside map also, you can leave this, delete all this like that, but I will use it because I don't want it to spawn them outside. Now what we want to do, we want to add another branch, and we want to check if the check equal, connect that to there. Now what we want to check is we want to get random integer in range, and I actually think in Call of Duty the possibility is like 1 in 50 that it spawns a power up. So like 0, 49, then it's 1 in 50. But let's actually try it. Let's make it like 1 in 5, so 0 and 4, so we can just see if it works. Now what we want to do, we want to get the random int in range once more. Now from here we want to switch on int like this, connect the truth to there. And let's leave it to 0 right now. This is just all these different power-ups that we're gonna spawn. So now we only have 1. So let's leave it to 0. And here from the 0, we want to spawn actor from class. Connect it there. And the actor we want to spawn is max ammo. Okay, and this collision handling override, always spawn ignore collisions. Let's make it like that. And spawn transform, we want to actually get this enemy main's capsule component. And from the capsule component we want to get world transform. Like that. Now let's split this and connect the location and rotation, and let's leave the scale to 111, like that. We want to use the capsule component because if you're using the mesh and the zombie is already on the ground, then it will spawn it to some weird place. This will always spawn it to like 90 units from the ground, so it will look good. Okay, and now we have this all set, and we have set it here. We can actually try if it works. Okay, let's get like this weapon. Let's kill these zombies after they come to the map. Oh, one more thing I will show you guys. Let's go to interactables and power-ups. Max ammo. Here, this delay before fade. I think 5 seconds is like not enough. Let's make it like 15 or 20 or something. So it's annoying with the power-ups start to fade away like after 5 seconds, or start flashing after that. So I will make it 15. So the total time would be like 25, maybe 30 seconds. Okay, let's try and see if this works. Wait that the zombies come to the map. And after that we can shoot them and see if the power-up spawning works. So let's kill this guy. That guy. It should be 1 on 5 chance. Okay, he spawned 1. Okay, I think they're actually working. I don't know what these zombies are glitching, but yeah. And you can see the max ammo spawns like 90 units from the ground. So it should work. So yeah, I think this was all for this video. On the next one I will actually show you how to create a nuke. So yeah, see you in the next one.